Act 1, Scene 2, Part 2, starting from line number 50. Prospero, by what? By any other house or person of anything the image tell me that had kept with thy remembrance. So Prospero is asking Miranda that whether she remembers anything related to the past, whether the house or a person, if anything she happens to remember, he wants to know from her. Miranda, 'tis far off and rather like a dream than an assurance that my remembrance warrants. Had I not 4 or 5 women once that tended me? She says that exactly like a dream is forgotten when you are wide awake, so exactly in the same way I do not have any memory and I cannot guarantee to anything and I cannot justify what I remember. Only this much I remember, that I was at that time attended or looked after by 4 or 5 women. Prospero, thou hadst and more, Miranda, but how is it that this lives in thy mind? What seest thou else in the dark backward and abysm of time? If thou rememberest aught ere thou camest here, how thou camest here thou mayest. So here one word you should get to know, and that is abysm. Abysm means from the dark depths of time. So Prospero is wanting to confirm from Miranda whether she remembers anything of the past or not, and whatever she remembers, like the 4 and 5 ladies attended her, that he is quite shocked to find out that she remembers that much even. So he is wanting to know from Miranda that whatever she remembers from the dark depths of time, she should convey to him, and if you remember anything, whatever it might be, so he should know about it. Miranda, but that I do not. So Miranda says, Father, I do not remember much. Prospero, 12 years since, Miranda, 12 years since thy father was the Duke of Milan and a prince of power. So Prospero says 12 years have passed since then, and it was a time when I was the Duke of Milan and all the powers, all the authority of Milan were in my hands. Miranda, sir, are not you my father? So Miranda is quite shocked to find out that her father was the Duke of Milan, and she is wanting to confirm with her father whether he is her real father or not. Prospero, thy mother was a piece of virtue, and she said thou wast my daughter, and thy father was Duke of Milan, and his only heir and princess no words issued. So Prospero says, as your mother was a true virtuous lady, she was a true picture of virtue, of goodness, so she had conveyed to me that you are my daughter, okay, and I, being your father, am the Duke of Milan, and only you are my successor, you are my princess, and this is what you should know about yourself. You do not belong to a lower birth, you are from a noble family. Noble blood happens to run into your veins, the royal blood happens to run into your veins, and you are born a princess. Miranda, oh the heavens, what foul play had we that we came from thence, or blessed was it we did. So she is wanting to find out from her father that whether it was something wrong which they had done, that this is the reason they are suffering out there on that island, or it was just lucky for them to be here on this island. So whether it is the plus factor or the negative, she wants to know from the father. Prospero, both my girl, by foul play as thou sayest, were we heaved thence, but blessedly holp hither. So Prospero says, dear daughter, both the things we have undergone, it was injustice that we have suffered, and this is the reason we were removed from Milan. And finally, the second thing is that it is also a blessing. Why? Because we have reached here safely. Why? Because our life was in danger, and that was a reason. It is also a blessing in disguise that we have reached here sound and safe. So Miranda, oh my heart bleeds to think of the teen that I have turned you to, which is from my remembrance, please you father. So Miranda says that, oh father, my heart really bleeds. Bleeds, it means really feels sad that I might have given you so much trouble when I was so young and we were banished from Milan. Please you further. Please you further is, oh father, tell me more about the past. I want to know what had happened with us. Prospero, my brother and thy uncle called Antonio, I pray thee, mark me, that a brother should be so perfidious, he whom next thyself of all the world I loved, and to him put the manage of my state, as at that time through all the signories it was the first, and Prospero the prime duke, being so reputed in dignity and for the liberal arts, without a parallel, those being all my study, the government I cast upon my brother, and to my state grew stranger, being transported and wrapped in secret studies, thy false uncle, dost thou attend me? So Prospero, first of all, you should know the meanings. There are many words. You should know the meaning of that. So the second line is mark me, is take a note of what I say. Perfidious stands for deceitful. Then you have manage of my state. It means the control and management of Milan. Signori stands for the principles or the principalities, okay, which were considered or followed in Milan. Okay, and prime duke here is talking about the superior, means the superior amongst the other dukes. Liberal art is standing here for the subjects that were considered essential to know, like grammar, logic and rhetoric. So we have already discussed that what is the meaning of rhetoric. Rhetoric basically is the capacity of writers, the study of the capacity of writers, speakers needed to inform, persuade, motivate a particular audience in a specific situation. So basically, when you are asked to write about what he was interested in what Prospero was interested in, you will not only write magic. He was basically interested in liberal arts, and under liberal arts many things will be covered. So without a parallel is means nobody was in comparison to Prospero. And then cast stands for handed, transported means carried away, wrapped is observed, false uncle is deceitful uncle, that is said for Antonio. So Prospero here is conveying to Miranda, he says that I had a brother who was your uncle and his name was Antonio, and oh dear daughter, mark what I say, keep a note of what I am going to tell you about my brother. That brother was so deceitful, so treacherous, and I blindly trusted my brother. I loved him so dearly that I entrusted the control and management of Milan in his hands. The very Milan which was popularly known for all the principles which were followed by the people at that time. I was the supreme duke at that time. I was superior amongst all the dukes. I was taken as the best duke at that time, and being so, my Milan was very reputed, very popularly known amongst the other dukedoms. Okay, so being so reputed in dignity and for the liberal arts without a parallel. And so here Prospero is saying that I was taken as a superior duke. Why? Because I was given respect and nobody could stand in comparison with me. Why? Because I was knowledgeable, I was having much knowledge about the liberal arts, and nobody could stand parallel to me. And this was the reason I was much interested in the studies of liberal arts and was not much interested in the state affairs. And being interested in the state, not interested in the state affairs, I gave the control of Milan in the hands of Antonio and became stranger. Became stranger is means I did not take much interest in the state affairs, trusting that my brother is going to take care of the administration of Milan, and thus I was carried away and absorbed in the secret studies of my liberal art. Thy false uncle, dost thou attend me? And this is what your deceitful uncle did. O daughter, are you attending me or not? Miranda, sir, most heedfully. Now here heedfully stands for attentively. So Miranda says, yes father, I am attentively listening to you. Prospero, being once perfected how to grant suits, how to deny them, who to advance and who to trash for overtopping. New created the creatures that were mine, I say, or change them, or else new form them, having both the key of officer and office, set all hearts in the state, that to what tune pleased his ears, that now he was the ivy which had hid my princely trunk and sucked my verdure out on it. Thou attendest not. So here the meanings: perfected is expert, grant suit is granting petitions, deny is reject, advance is promote, trash is restrain. Okay, overtopping is for being over ambitious. Then creatures here standing for the officers, changed is replaced. Then you have officer and officers means the control of all the officer and the offices which were once in the control of Prospero, in the hands of Prospero. Okay, then ivy is the name of a climber, verdure is standing for the strength. Actually here it is basically it is the meaning for greenery, but here it is standing for strength. So Prospero continues telling Miranda about Antonio, and he says that once when Antonio got the control and the management of Milan, he slowly and gradually became expert in taking control over everything. He started granting petitions. Okay, he started rejecting the ones which were not in his favor. He promoted the ones who talked in his favor or followed his commands, and restrained the officers who were over ambitious and tried to bring him down. So in this way he slowly and gradually created the creatures here standing for the officers. So he took control over everything, and all those officers who were working according to his commands were encouraged, and the ones who were over ambitious and wanted to go against him, they were removed or replaced from their places. Okay, and or else new form means new officers were kept in their places. These officers who did not listen to him, who did not obey him, they were replaced. Having both the key of officer and office, set all hearts in the state to what tune pleased his ears. And thus in this way he took control over each and everything, and under his administration whatever pleased him, he made the people do according to his wishes, and he only wanted to hear what his ears loved to hear. And thus slowly and gradually, like an ivy happens to cover the trunk of a strong tree, exactly in the same way this ivy named means, here keep it in mind, ivy has been taken for this Antonio, princely trunk is standing for Prospero, and verdure is the strength of Prospero. Okay, so here when we are talking about this comparison, keep it in mind it is a metaphor, and this example has been taken as a metaphor, and this is why here you should know that ivy, which is standing for Antonio, slowly and gradually with the passing of time overpowered everything which once upon a time was in the hands of Prospero, and thus sucked away the strength, the power of Milan, which was previously in the hands of Prospero, and now it was under his command. Then later on, once again Prospero is confirming with Miranda whether she is attentively listening to the past or not. Miranda, oh good sir, I do. So Miranda says that yes father, I am listening to you, I am very much attentive to you.